In this video, I will show you how to log a workout on the Oura Ring app. Now, this is a very easy and simple process, so let's get started. But first, I want to say, if you want to get a discount, a $40 discount on your next Oura Ring, remember to check out the link in the description down below to get that deal. Alright, let's get started. First, let's open the Oura Ring app, and if you are wearing your Oura Ring during your workout, Oura should automatically track your workout and it should automatically add that workout. You only need to confirm if you actually did that workout. For example, if you went skiing, for example, and you were wearing that Oura Ring during your skiing session, it should automatically track and automatically add the skiing workout to the Oura Ring app, and you only need to add to confirm that. But if Oura did not track the workout, or if you did not wear the Oura Ring during the workout, you can manually add a workout. You can do this by tapping on the plus button right there in the right down corner, and then tap on add a workout. So what you also can do is you can record a workout. So basically, recording a workout means that you are doing it now, or you're going to do it. So if you, for example, want to go for a run, you can tap on the record workout. So it's more accurate than if Oura tracks it automatically for you. So I always recommend you, if you are going for a workout, just tap on record workout. And if you are not wearing your Oura Ring, then tap on add workout. And here you can select the specific workout you did. For example, hiking. Then you can select the start time, which is, for example, let's say 10 o'clock. And how long was it? So let's say, for example, 1 hour. So you put this as at 0, just like this. And how intense was the workout? Easy, moderate, or hard? Let's say moderate. And then you can tap on done. And now we've added a workout. You can scroll all the way down until here. And here you can see summary, hiking, as you can see. So the route is not available because I did not track it. But if you record it, it will be available. So as you can see, you can easily delete it by tapping on edit and then tap on delete. So that is it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just let them know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.